Good morning, everyone. I'm Carol Williams with Williams Immigration, and we are back for another Monday morning edition of Beyond the Soundbite, where we talk about all things U.S. immigration. So the first thing I want to talk about is the most recent government shutdown, which was very short-lived, and it was only a partial shutdown. It was very short-lived, thankfully. So all the agencies are back to their normal operations. It is, I think, key to note that DHS received their funding only through February 13th, and the rest of the government received its funding through September 30th. So we know that USCIS is under DHS, so I will keep an eye on that as funding issues, partial government shutdowns do impact our immigration application. So I will keep you up to date on that. But as of right now, full government allocation of their funds, and everyone is back up and running. The next thing I want to talk to you about this morning are the H-1B lottery dates. We talked about them last week, but full disclosure, I will probably talk about them each and every week until the end of the lottery. So the fiscal year 2027 lottery dates are, the lottery is open from noon on March 4th, and it closes on March 19th, also at noon. So March 4th to March 19th, open and closing at noon Eastern Standard Time. If you are an employer, you will need a My USCIS H-1B registration account. If you have not previously done an H-1B lottery entrance, then you will need to create your new My USCIS account. If you have participated in the H-1B lottery previously, now is the time to find your old password, dust it off, and make sure it is ready. The government anticipates running their lottery and informing us of the lottery notifications on March 31st. Notifications are done in your My USCIS account. They are not mailed to you. They are not sent to you via text message. Nobody calls you. It is only through your My USCIS account. So if you get notification in any other manner, it is not real. So that is my weekly update on the H-1B lottery in terms of the dates, opening and closing. Again, March 4th at noon Eastern, closing March 19th, noon Eastern Standard Time. We've had some court cases recently, the most recent of which has been regarding a postponement of the termination of TPS for individuals from Haiti. This is as of, I think it was last week we saw this. So, and to give you guys a little bit of perspective, this court case for Haiti in regards to TPS started last year. So this is still winding its way through the courts. It does not appear that it is over just quite yet. What my employers need to know and what my Haitian individuals need to know who currently have work authorization is this. Your EADs have been automatically extended based on this court date. They're automatically extended if the original expiration date of your EAD is one of these. If it was February 3rd, 2026, August 3rd, 2025, August 3rd, 2024, June 30th, 2024, February 3rd, 2023, December 31st, 2022, October 1st, 2021, January 4th, 2021, January 2nd, 2020, July 22nd, 2019, or January 22nd, 2018, and the last date would be July 22nd, 2017. If your EAD, if the original expiration date was any of those dates that I just listed, your EAD has been auto-extended until further notice based on the court date. For my employers out there, make sure that you are completing your I-9 re-verification of these individuals so that your I-9s aren't showing that you are employing individuals with expired work authorization. Back at the end of January, court case also extended EAD, employment authorization validity, employment authorization document validity, apologies, for individuals from Burma who were on TPS. TPS, the termination of TPS for Burmese citizens was temporarily suspended as well, and their EADs were auto-extended. And so if you are from Burma, you have TPS, and your EAD naturally expired on November 25th, 2025, May 25th, 2024, or November 25th, 2022, your EAD is auto-extended until further notice. And again, if you are an employer and you have Burmese citizens that have TPS with EADs with these expiration dates, then you want to make sure that you have done the I-9 re-verification so that your I-9 documents don't look as though you have been employing someone that didn't have work authorization. So that is all I have for y'all this beautiful Monday morning. If you have any questions about the H-1B lottery, your EAD validity, feel free to give my office a call. We're happy to have a conversation with you. So have a wonderful rest of your week and a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.